Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of Pop Mart's Labubu Have a Seat series. So this is my very first Have a Seat Labubu. Not sure what color we're going to get, but let's do the unboxing together. So this is the one and only box that I purchased for Have a Seat. Apparently this is considered like the series 2. The series 1 is the one that is standing. I believe you have already caught my unboxing in my earlier video. So this is Have a Seat belonging to the series 2. There are quite a number of colors. We have the light blue, yellow, pink, purplish blue, the light brown, the cyan color, and this one is the special secret, which I'm very interested to find out if we have it inside the box. Without further ado, let's unbox this together. Okay, hold on. Is this the secret? Is this the secret? It's called door. Is there a door? Oh my god! The secret! Yay! Serious? This is the secret! Wow, guys, we're so lucky! Okay, so this is my very first Have a Seat box, and we have got the secret! Shall we unbox this together? I'm really curious to find out. As you know, earlier I've done quite a number of unboxing where I purchased an entire collection of 6 blind boxes, and none are secret. But this is my lucky one and only box. I got the secret. I'm so excited. Let's take a look. I cannot wait. Wow, my very first secret. Okay guys, I'm gonna introduce you my Have a Seat secret Labubu, which is called the Duo. Interesting. Okay, one thing is the quality, well, not as what I expected. If you notice, the head is kind of imbalanced. Over here it looks perfect, but this is like jutting out. The face is like kind of looks like this part got bashed up by somebody else, and the head is slightly tilted. Instead of this, it's tilted this way. Hands and leg, I would say not the most proportionate, because over here it is like slightly protruding outwards, while this one, the legs seem to be a little shorter and it's inside, and this one is longer. Look, this is going outwards and this is going inwards. Not sure why the quality is so. And look at the ears. This is longer or this is shorter. Could it be a quality issue? Take a look at this portion. Very obvious. This ear is definitely shorter than the one over here. And in terms of the hand, same thing. We have got some issue here. The one on the left is slightly protruding, slightly longer. And this hand is shorter. Well, Pop Mart, you got to address this quality issue, although I have got a secret. But yeah, probably you would want to find out why is it manufactured in such a way that, you know, we've got the disproportionate hand. Is it normal? Guys, if any one of you have got the authentic Pop Mart Labubu and it's a secret Have a Seat, please let me know. Do you have the same quality issue, or is it supposed to be like this? Let me know. Comment down in the comment section below. Here's how the tag looks like. Just to give you a general idea, for the real Pop Mart authentic Labubu, this label is always clearer. In terms of the logo, every hand and legs is well defined. It's extremely sharp in this print. And then for the packaging, if you were to look from the inside, it's supposed to be like translucent. You will still be able to see the print at the other side. But if you look through here, you're supposed to see the outline of the wording that's displayed at the back. And of course, you can always check on the website to check if the authenticity of your Labubu. Okay, that's about it. You guys are lucky. You have just witnessed unboxing of the secret Half-a-Seed Labubu. Thank you so much. If you love such unboxing videos, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my video for my videos to come. See you guys. Bye bye.